Do you hate messing with heavy, bulky laundry detergent bottles that make a mess everywhere or pods that are too tempting to your grandkids? I mean, look at that, really. What a mess. What a mess. What a waste. All that plastic, the poor environment, really. And then, really, does your laundry room look like that with spills everywhere? And these big bottles that just won't fit anywhere, takes up so much space. I have the solution for you. Q Science's laundry sheets. Look how tiny this is. It just takes a little tiny sheet, and actually you only need half a sheet for small or regular loads, and you just throw it in the wash, then add your clothes, and you are set to go. It is so much easier on the environment and so much easier on your clutter and your space. Absolutely love it.